person here has made $2,000. This person here has made $10,000. Meanwhile, this person over here has made in total no less than $30,000. So there is a lot of money to be made here. But the people you have all just seen had to work for it, right? Actually, no. They made that much money by just listening to music. Yep, you heard that right. Listening to music, something everyone does on a daily basis, can actually get you paid. And that is what makes this so awesome. You don't have to work hard for hours on end in order to get paid. You can just sit back, play the songs, and get paid in the process. It's as easy as that. So if you want to make some good money online listening to music, then you ought to keep watching, because I will show you multiple platforms you can use so you can maximize your results. And with all of that said, let's now jump straight into this tutorial. You all heard me right. You can actually make money by listening to music. Even though I know that does sound too good to be true and like there has to be some kind of catch, there literally isn't. The only catch is, if you want to call it that, is that you have to keep watching, because I have multiple platforms to share with you. So not just a single one where you can make money online by just listening to music. The very first platform is this one here called musicgateway.com. As you can all see on your screen right now, this is a place where you can come and publish your music as a musician, but it's also a place where you can make money online off of music, but without being a musician in the first place. And one of those ways to get paid is by listening to music. To get on this page I'm on right now, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the homepage here and click on Curators here. On this very page, you'll be able to see all of the information about working on this website by listening to music, including how much money you'll be able to make. That you can see here is up to £800 a month. If you don't know how much that is in US dollars, then you can see on Google here that £800 is just over $1,000. So you can make up to $1,000 on a monthly basis by just listening to music. As I said before, you're not doing any hard work at all. You just have to listen to music and go about your daily activities, and you can make up to $1,000 every single month. With that being said, it's worth noting that not every single one of you watching this will earn $1,000. In fact, the vast majority of you will not earn $1,000 a month, so this cannot replace your main source of income at all. It's more like a job to boost your income. But nevertheless, $1,000 or even less isn't a small amount of money, and it will most certainly impact your life positively. The next platform you can all use to make big money online by listening to music is this one right here called current.us. Right away when you come onto this platform, you will be able to see what it is. It is, of course, a place where you can listen to music and make money. As you can see here, you can earn up to $600 a month if you listen to music between 20 and 30 hours on a weekly basis. So yes, the site will not pay you as much as the previous one, and you will have to spend a lot of time listening to music. So just as I said before, this cannot replace your main source of income, but it definitely can boost it substantially. Now, the awesome feature of this app that I really like, that I think many of you will appreciate as well, is the fact that it works for both iOS and Android. So no matter what phone you have, you can use this app definitely. Furthermore, in case some of you were skeptical about this app and whether or not it works, you can see that on Google Play, it has over 2 million reviews with a rating of 4.5 stars. Meanwhile, on the App Store, its rating sits at 4.5 stars as well, with over 50,000 reviews. So, as you can see, this is most definitely a legit app. It works, it's extremely popular with lots of reviews, proving beyond any doubt that they will indeed pay you. With all of that said, guys, the last way you can make money by listening to music is by using a freelancing website. The one I would recommend in this case would be Fiverr.com. And yes, I know Fiverr is competitive and all that, but the thing is that for reviewing music, it really isn't. Check this out. When I typed in review music in the search bar, I found a mere 100 or so services being offered. For the sake of comparison, I found over 5,000 services being offered for logo design, nearly 12,000 for transcription, and nearly 1,500 services being offered for social media marketing. So, as you can see, in comparison to some of the more popular services being offered on Fiverr, reviewing music is not even close to as competitive. This is quite important because it means you can actually get started on this platform as a beginner. The main problem the vast majority of people on Fiverr face is just the sheer number of freelancers. It makes it nearly impossible to start working on this site if you're offering some service that a lot of other freelancers are offering themselves. But since not a lot of freelancers are offering to do music reviews, this means you can start on Fiverr right now and make this work. Moreover, the important bit here is that you don't have to be an expert for this. What happens when someone wants to publish a song but isn't too certain is they will come over to a platform like Fiverr and pay someone who is a regular person, not some expert, to do the review for them because they want to know how the song will resonate with the rest of the public. They want an honest opinion of an everyday person, making this that much of a better method to get paid. You'll just listen to the songs offered, do a quick review. Say, for example, in one part of the song the singing was too loud, whatever it may be. You'll just listen to the song in question and do an honest review, and you stand to earn literally up to $30 per customer. Speaking of money, how much can you make? Is this worthwhile at all? Well, remember those people from the intro way back? Here they are. They showcase more than I can that you can actually make big money by doing song reviews. This person here has had 200 reviews, and the cheapest package here costs $10. So if we count on every single customer purchasing the cheapest package, and if we only count the number of reviews as the number of purchases, we'd still be talking about $2,000 made. The amount of money is most likely higher because, as many of you know already, not everyone leaves a review. And not everyone purchases the cheapest package here. Some might go for the more expensive ones. The great thing here, though, is that the first example is one with the least money made that I found. This person here is charging $20 per song review, but has had way over 500 reviews. So if we calculate the amount of money made in the same conservative method as we did with the previous example, we'd still be talking about $10,000, and that's just insane. Keep in mind that this person made that much money by merely listening to music and giving an honest review. Take a look at this though. This person here is charging $15 with the basic package, but has had just over 2,000 reviews. If you do the math, that's $30,000 made at the bare minimum. This just goes to show you how much money there is to be made here, guys. It's just insane. As I said before, the amount of money made is most likely much higher because not everyone will leave a review and also purchase the cheapest option, meaning that these 3 examples I just showed you could have made 2 times as much money as I estimated, if not more. So go out on Fiverr, guys. Create gigs on doing music reviews before Fiverr becomes too competitive for this service as well. It will be worth your time most definitely, and you'll literally be able to accumulate thousands of dollars by listening to music. As easy as that.